What's poppin'? Brand new whip, just hopped in. I got options. I can pass that bitch like Stockton. Just joshing.
When I first got here, I saw a girl fast. She was white.
What is up, YouTube? 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 So today I have a drop fade for you guys. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. You know, if you're new to the channel, make sure to check out the other videos because some stuff that I say in the other videos just kind of applies to this one. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Okay guys, so I'm gonna start by saturating my client's hair, and when I'm saturating it, I'm combing it the natural way it kind of goes because he kind of has a calic in the back. And I'm really trying to, you know, make sure it's all wet. And you know, the same thing that I do, if you watch my previous videos, you know, I always cut a line in the center and then even it out on the sides. And now I'm point cutting just to add texture to the top of his hair. And now with my Babyliss liners, I'm gonna make my first guideline. And for this haircut, I use my Wahl Cordless Senior. With the lever open, I'm making my second guideline. And you know, right away, just blending it just to make the process faster. And same thing to the back of his head. You know, just open and close the lever. Make sure to get all the dark spots out. Now I'm using my half guard, making my third guideline. Same process that, you know, that I do with all the guards, just fade right away. Now with my number 1. Now with my 1.5. Whenever I can't get a spot out, I go back on my guards. Like you guys just saw, I went back to no guard, and you know, anything that I missed that I couldn't get, I just go back on my guard system to get the dark spots to make sure the blend is really faded. And now I'm using my number 2. And like I said, this is the 1.5, so any spots that I couldn't get, I get it with that. Now I'm doing the clipper over comb. And first, I try to get it even. And after I get it even, I go with the comb in the corners of my clipper and get the dark spots, if that makes any sense. Right here I'm freehanding it, you know, kind of eyeballing it to see if there's any uneven spot. Now I'm lining him up. For the curve right there, I'm really trying to use the corners of my blade because I don't want to use the whole thing. I want to make sure it's, you know, curved. Now I'm using my Babyliss Pro Foil shaver, and just to make sure, you know, it's extra bald for that, you know, smooth transition. And you know, something that annoys me whenever I get my hair cut, whenever I'm cutting hair, is, you know, the hair that's by the ear. Like, you know, make sure to pull the ear down and really check if there's anything under there. You know, it's so annoying when, you know, you got a haircut and then, you know, they missed a spot. Just to, you know, just make sure you get the hair that's behind the ear. Also, you know, I'm going over with my liners just to get rid of that shaver line. And a lot of times you just have to have your stuff very adjusted, because if you don't have it adjusted, you know, you're gonna have a hard time taking that line out. But also make sure that, you know, you don't have it too adjusted to where you're cutting your clients all the time. And now I'm using my boy Miggs's enhancement brush. I guess that's what I'll call it. You know, I gotta support the homie out in Cali. And now with my Motive Pro razor, going over it to make it extra sharp. And you know, you guys already know me, I like going against the grain. I just, you know, like leaving it extra sharp. And just make sure to stretch out the skin so you can clearly see the hairs that are supposed to be cut. And now I'm going over it with my liners again just to make sure I got all the loose hairs that were on top. And you know, throwing in some Motive texturizing powder just to kind of give it a little bit of texture up top. And I'm pinching it and twisting it just to really create that textured look. Well, hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. And I do these videos because I truly enjoy it. God has been good to me, so this is my way of giving back. Like, comment, subscribe. Peace.